happy birthday, Daigor. Ako de si Larry Lagrimas Lagrimas Garces Taperi. Anak ko ni Sotico Garces. Paringa ugngan sa imong beloved husband. Salamat kayo, Daigor, nga imong kong itagaan gayon na makasulti diri maka-greet nimo og happy birthday. Again, happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Gloria.
Happy birthday, Gloria.
And enjoy
Enjoy your days.
your days. Happy 70th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mother. Wish you more birthdays to come, more health, and more beautiful. Enjoy every moment in your life. Do whatever that makes you happy. And enjoy your party. And we love you so much.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
God bless. Enjoy your birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday. Sana nasa mabuting kalagayan ka lagi. Happy birthday, Ma.
Tapos, patuloy lang yung exercise nimo para healthy ka, Perme.
Exercise ka lagi.
Exercise ka lagi. Para
Always
babata
masaya.
ka lalo.
Always masaya ka. Happy birthday, Ma.
Birthday.
Sana kung naandyan kami, kakain kami ng lechon dyan. Imagine na lang namin ang lechon. Happy birthday, Ma.
Hi, Mama! Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Enjoy mo yung party mo. And wishing you good health and happiness always. Yun na lang, sana wala nang stress. You know, isinang buhay. Enjoy na lang kayo. Sumba-sumba na lang. Kanta-kanta. Yun lang, sana mag-enjoy ka, Mama. Sorry, wala kami sa birthday mo. Bawi na lang ako, ha? See you soon, Mama. Love you. Enjoy kayo. Miss you.
Happy 70th birthday, Tia Gloria. Wish you have more birthdays to come in your life. And also, good health and more blessings to you and your family. God bless, Tia Gloria.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Mag-wish kay Lola. Wish na mo sa inyo, Lola. Dapat nagkakama yung kalawasan, iiwas sa sakit, at permanente ka healthy. I love you, Lola. Ikaw po.
Happy birthday,
I love you. Love you. Ingat ka, Permi, Lola.
Ingat ka.
Hello Lola, happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sana na maging safe ka always and maging healthy. And enjoy nyo po yung special day nyo. And nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat-lahat ng mga tulong nyo po sa akin at sa amin. Maraming salamat po, Lola. I'm glad na maging happy ka po ngayon. I love you, Lola. We love you always, Lola. Love you. Mag-iingat ka po lagi.
Happy birthday, Lola! My wish for you is to give you a good health and long life. Wishing you a day full of joy and laughter and all the things that makes you smile. Happy birthday again, Lola, and I love you. Love you.
Hi Lola, wishing my favorite grandmother an unforgettable birthday. Happy birthday to you, Lola. Thank you for supporting me for all these years po. Thank you. I love you so much, La.